Made of cast aluminum for even baking. Nonstick coating allows for clean removal. Fun design is great for holidays and parties. Made in the USA. These autumn shapes bring festive fun to your gatherings. Acorn, pumpkin, leaf and turkey designs are wonderful for cakes and candies. Serve individually or press two together with frosting for a sandwich. Top reviews from the United States. Best bakeware ever. I love Nordic Bundtware. Best pans ever. Excellent recipes included. Excellent craftsmanship. No sticking or residue ever. I use Baker's Joy 'cause it's easy, but, actually every greasing product I've tried works very well. This pan is particularly nice. I make pumpkin bread in it, chock full of raisins and nuts. These little cakes draw giggles of delight from my guests as they recognize the cute shapes. The size is just right, a bit bigger than a cookie and a tad smaller than a cupcake. Folks feel comfortable indulging in more than one and are delighted as they do so. Also, the recipes bake quicker than a full-size cake, of course, and you could use pretty much any cake recipe in them that you want. I'd suggest, just go for it. These Cakelette pans are fun.